Are you ready for the next big leap in fitness tech? Garmin just dropped two game-changing smartwatches, the Forerunner 970 and the Forerunner 570, and they're packed with features that even the Fenix 8 didn't have. From ECG support to LED flashlights and race predictors, this is Garmin like you've never seen before. Let's dive in. Forerunner 970 redefining performance. The brand new Garmin Forerunner 970 is officially here, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a reinvention. Built on the premium DNA of the Fenix 8 and Venue 3, it now includes a 1.4-inch AMOLED sapphire crystal display, the powerful Garmin Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, medical-grade ECG, skin temperature tracking, and even past ovulation estimates, voice commands, a built-in speaker and microphone for phone calls, and the fan-favorite LED flashlight. Plus, brand new running economy metrics, impact load analysis, and race time predictions. And yes, it's even thinner than the Forerunner 965, while packing more features than ever before. Lightbulb bonus: you can now restore your previous watch settings instantly when upgrading. New sports features and profiles. This is where Garmin truly flexes its muscles. The Forerunner 970 introduces 15 new sport profiles, including snorkeling, horseback riding, obstacle racing, and more. Garmin Triathlon Coach, running tolerance, and step speed loss tracking. Multisport structured workouts. Evening reports to help you wind down and prep for tomorrow's goals. And a smarter UI with larger fonts, focus modes, and improved maps. Running shirt combined with the new HRM 600 chest strap, runners get pro-level insights into every stride, from real-time efficiency stats to hill impact metrics. Smartwatch functionality you'll actually use. Beyond fitness, the Forerunner 970 steps up your daily life too. Answer calls and use voice assistants directly from your wrist. Stay visible in the dark with white and red LED flashlights. Enjoy better battery customizations and 1-second data recording. But with all these upgrades, there is a price jump, now starting at $749. Still, for athletes and enthusiasts, this might just be the most balanced Garmin ever made. Forerunner 570, the mid-range beast. Alongside the 970, Garmin unveiled the Forerunner 570, the direct successor to the 265. It strikes the perfect balance for mid-range users who want modern features without the premium price tag. Pair it with the HRM 600 to unlock elite-level running metrics. It's ideal for serious athletes who don't need all the flagship extras but still want serious data. Final thoughts? Garmin clearly listened to its community. The Forerunner 970 is a feature-packed response to the feedback on the Fenix 8. With innovations in both hardware and sports analytics, this could easily become the go-to GPS smartwatch of 2025. Whether you're a pro athlete, marathoner, or just want a smarter way to train, the new Garmin Forerunner series has something for everyone. Man Detective, stay tuned for our in-depth review coming soon, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tech breakdowns.